You are listening to the Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome. It's great to be diving into the latest in tech innovation again, where, honestly, sometimes the future shows up looking a bit quirky.
Definitely. Always some unexpected twists.
Yeah, and we've got some pretty wild ones today. Think AI, getting a brain boost mostly, and butter made without cows.
Right. Let's unpack that.
All right, so first up, Alexa. We all know it, but Amazon's apparently given it this AI brain transplant, Alexa plus egg. The idea, as I understand it, is to mix that chatbot-style conversation, the generative AI stuff, with the practical things Alexa already did. And it's rolling out now.
It is, widely, after some testing phases.
So the big question is, how smart is this new brain? Is it like a smooth upgrade?
Well, that's where it gets interesting. Reports suggest that while, it is more conversational, maybe more fun to talk to,
Okay.
it's also pretty buggy still. Unreliable, even.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and apparently lagging behind some other voice models out there. And get this, it's sometimes worse than the old Alexa basic stuff.
Worse. Wow. Okay, so not quite the seamless upgrade they might have hoped for yet.
Exactly. It really highlights the challenges, right? Putting this super advanced, fast-moving AI into tech we use every day, sometimes smarter on paper, doesn't mean better in practice, at least not right away.
That makes sense. A real-world check on the AI hype. Okay,
Yeah.
so shifting gears quite a bit here.
Hmm.
From digital brains that are maybe a bit buggy to something physical, butter. But butter made without cows or fields.
That's the one. Savor is the company out in Illinois.
Shaver, right. And they're making it from, what was it, carbon and hydrogen?
Just carbon and hydrogen. Apparently, it looks, smells, tastes like the real deal.
Wow.
But yeah, totally skips the farms, the fertilizer, the emissions from traditional dairy.
And Bill Gates is backing this.
He is. It's got some serious investment behind it. And they're talking about maybe seeing it on shelves for regular folks around 2027.
2027, that's not
Yeah.
that far off.
It really isn't. It speaks volumes about the potential here, right? Lab-made fats, oils, cutting down our carbon footprint in a big way could really change food production.
No kidding. A huge potential shift. Okay, so we've got this sort of tricky AI rollout with Alexa and then this potentially game-changing food tech. It makes you think about the whole AI development scene itself. What's happening sort of behind the curtain for the people actually building these things?
Yeah, well, there's definitely work going on to make it less chaotic. Tools like Agent.md are popping up.
Agent.md, what does that do?
It's basically trying to create a standard, like a universal configuration file. So different AI coding tools, these agentic tools, can actually talk to each other properly.
Ah, okay. So it helps developers manage the complexity when they're using lots of different AI bits and pieces.
Exactly. Simplifies the workflow, theoretically.
Right. But, okay, the tools might be getting better. Does that mean the underlying AI models, the large language models, are fundamentally getting past their known issues? Or are we just finding better ways to work around the problems?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because, tools help the developers, but a lot of the core limitations of LLMs, they seem to still be there. And it's not clear if the current ways of building them can actually solve those fundamental issues. Things like reliability, making stuff up sometimes.
Hallucinations, right?
Yeah. And you see this reflected even with the big players. Like OpenAI just brought back older versions of ChatGPT 4.0 for some Plus users.
Oh, they did. Why?
Feedback, apparently. The newer versions weren't working as well for some tasks or users. So it shows even they are constantly juggling these trade-offs between capability and reliability.
So it's a constant balancing act. Pushing forward, but sometimes having to take a step back.
Precisely. Which raises that important question for all of us, really. What are the real limits here with the AI we have now? And how do we build things we can actually depend on?
Yeah, definitely. So from smart assistants that aren't always quite so smart to butter made from air, it's clear the tech future is, well, fascinating and complicated. Helping you make sense of it is what we try to do here at the Vocal Technologist.
Absolutely. We're in this moment where every breakthrough seems to come with its own set of weird challenges, right? Makes you constantly rethink things. What part of all this stands out most to you?
What are those next big leaps going to look like? And maybe more importantly, what are the hidden catches or maybe the unexpected benefits we haven't even thought of yet? Definitely something to chew on until next time.
Spoken tech for your ears.